Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will start discussing question answer of the chapter, that is chapter number 3, Neolithic farmers and herders. Earlier in my previous video I had given explanation of this chapter in 2 or 3 video. So if you have not watched the previous video, the video that I had given explanation, go through my channel and watch it. There you will get a variety, lot of video that for different content or different parts. So without any delay, let's get started doing question answer of this chapter, farmer, Neolithic farmers and herders. The first exercise it is given, that is fill in the blank. Question number 1. The dash age marked the complete transformation of the early humans from hunters and food gatherers to farmers and food producers. So, we had discussed in this chapter first paragraph that this a Neolithic age, that means new stone age, new stone age. So this is a period that basically started of the early human from hunters and food gatherers to farmers and food producers. And these the people of this age, they learned how to do farming and domestication of animals, because these were the major factors that accounted for this transformation. So first answer, the Neolithic age. I have already written the film. I have already filled the blank. The Neolithic age marked the complete transformation of the early human from hunters and food gatherers to farmer and food producer. Second is, stone tools found at several Neolithic sites suggest that humans cultivated and harvested their crops. Well, historians during excavation at historical site, historians, they have found some tools at Neolithic site that indicate that people of this age, they cultivated and harvested their crops using these tools. Question number 3. Animal like dogs, goats, cattle, pigs, horses, and donkeys were domesticated during the Neolithic age. So basically, the most important part of this chapter, that these people, they started learning how to do farming and how to domesticate the animals like dogs, goats, cattle, pigs, horses, and donkey. Question number 4. Das is a Neolithic site in Karnataka from where bones of animals have been found in large numbers. Well, Tekkalkotta, located in Karnataka, we had discussed here in the first paragraph. Archaeological evidences found at sites such as Mehergarh suggest that dog, cattle, sheep, and goats were domesticated for different purposes. At some Neolithic sites such as Tekkalkotta, bones of sheep and goats have been found, indicating that they were tamed in large numbers. Next question, that is, at sites such as Burj Home and Guf Karal in Jammu Kashmir, stone axes have been found in large number. Here it is given, it is mentioned here, at sites such as Burj Home and Guf Karal in Jammu Kashmir, stone axes have been found in large number, and beside, historians have found stone blades, stone shells, chisels, etc. have also been found in Deccan, Northeast, and Chota Nagpur plateau. The invention of wheel improved movement of goods and making of poetry. Well, the another invention of people of this age, they invented wheel and cart, and these were the remarkable invention of Neolithic human. Because of that, it is possible that log or stone rolling downwards is part of the idea of the wheel. So these people, the greatest invention of this age, it is wheel. Huge rectangular blocks of stone called megaliths mark the burial places in the Neolithic period. As we had discussed in megalith, that means disposal of the dead. The people of Neolithic age, they performed the practice of burying their dead. Huge rectangular blocks of stone mark the burial places in the Neolithic period. These are called megaliths. The dead were buried along with many objects that they used during their lifetime. This showed that Neolithic men believed in life after death. Cremation was also practiced. Last is the Chalcolithic age is also known as Copper Stone Age. Well, the last stage of Stone Age, that is Chalcolithic age. The most important thing about that this age that people began to use stone and copper too. This age it is also known as Copper Stone Age. At in this age, people they have found the first metal copper to be in this age. Copper was the first metal to be discovered, and copper tools were made better than tools made from stone. In course of time, copper began to be mixed with other metals to form stronger metals. Now match the column. Here, column A, column B. There are two columns given in this exercise. Column A, column B. We have to match the correct column. First is group of family. Correct answer is of column B. It is option E, tribe. Because tribal people they lived in group and they moved from one place to another. So that is called a group family. Second thing, forest cleared by burning, usually harding. Okay, as we had discussed in the historical site that this site located in northeast hills near Brahmaputra Valley and it close to routes leading into China and Myanmar. Stone tools including mortars and pestle have been found at this site. At Daojali heading, land was cleared by burning forest and cereals and yams were grown. People of Daojali heading used mud stone slab for preparing food from grains and vegetables. Third is Mehergarh. Mehergarh it is also name of historical site where people they made the houses which is in square and rectangular houses. Fourth is sickles, axes, plough and horse. People of Neolithic age they used this tool to clean the forest and harvested the crops. Point number 5, sky, sun and rain. These are the natural resources that people of this age they worship this nature, these sources. Now we have done exercise A and B. Now let's see the exercise C. Write true or false. Well, the metal that was discovered by the early humans was iron. Well, it is false because as we have already discussed that the first metal that these people they had found in Chalcolithic age it is copper. During the Chalcolithic period, early humans began to live in separate households. Well, it is false because early humans began to live in groups. Daujali Harding it is a Neolithic site on the hills near Brahmaputra Valley close to routes leading to China and Myanmar. Well, it's true. The Neolithic people of Burjholm lived in deep pits because the places were very windy and dry. Well, it's also true because these people they lived in deep pits because this mode of habitation is termed as pit dwelling. And what how they made the pits? They plastered the sides of the pits with mud, and the pits were narrow at the top and wide at the base. Last question that is with the expansion in agriculture activity, the Neolithic people began to make vessels and pots for storing grain. Well, it is very true because these people they have already started making pottery for storing food and grain. Because these people they failed to need to store food grains they produce. So we have done exercise A and B and C in this video, and the question answer that is exercise D and we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.